What is up, YouTube? It's Angel back with Yazzy Labs, and today we're talking about 3D printers. More specifically, we're talking about FDM 3D printers, and fused modeling deposition is basically just 2D printing, but with different layers. The way that FDM printers know how to print each layer is with something called a G-code, and a G-code is what tells the machine what to do. Most FDM printers print in layers of plastic, usually ABS or PLA. Makerbot Replicator Plus, of which I have, prints in primarily PLA. However, you can find a way to print with other trickier substances.